Hello everyone, welcome to Edufy India. I request you all to kindly subscribe the channel and click on bell icon to get notified about new videos. Hi, I'm Himanshi Sharma. I hope all of you are doing good and are safe at your home. Today we will see an interesting story by Rabindranath Tagore, My Silly Sister. This story is given in class 3 English book Marigold. In this video we will do word by word reading. We will see its explanation in English as well as in Hindi, word meanings and sentence formation. So let's get started. My Silly Sister. This story is about a boy and his young sister who is very mischievous and naughty in nature. She is taken care by her elder brother who is complaining about her childish nature to his mother. ये कहानी एक छोटी सी बच्ची की है जो बहुत ही शरारती है। इस कहानी में हम देखेंगे कि कैसे इस छोटी सी बच्ची ने अपने बड़े भाई को परेशान किया हुआ है, जिसके बारे में वो अपनी माँ को बता रहा है। Mother, your baby is silly. She is so very childish. She does not know the difference between the lights in the streets and the bright stars. When we play with pebbles, she thinks they are real food. She even tries to put them into her mouth. The brother is saying this to his mother that your daughter is very silly. She is very childish as she can't make difference between the lights on the street and bright stars in the sky. She finds them same. At times, when they play with pebbles, she misunderstood them as food items and starts eating them. Pebbles are small stones which can't be eaten. इस कहानी में बड़ा भाई अपनी छोटी बहन की शिकायत अपनी माँ से करते हुए कह रहा है कि मम्मी, आपकी बेटी में तो बहुत ही बचपना है। इसे तो सड़क पे लगी हुई लाइट्स में और आसमान में चमकते सितारों में भी कोई डिफरेंस नहीं पता। इसे ये दोनों एक जैसे लगते हैं। जब कभी हम कंचों से या पत्थरों से खेलते हैं तो ये उन्हें खाने की चीज समझकर खाने की कोशिश करती है और मुंह में डाल लेती है। When I open a book before her and ask her to learn her ABC, she tears the pages with her hands and roars with joy at nothing. This is your baby's way of doing her lessons. When I shake my head at her in anger and scold her or call her naughty, she laughs and thinks it great fun. Now the brother is saying that whenever he asks his sister to concentrate on her studies and learn ABC, she doesn't listen to her brother. Instead, she tears the pages of her book and then laugh aloud as if she has done something funny. He is complaining this to his mother that this is her way of doing the lesson. Moreover, he is saying that because of her mischievous behavior, he gets angry, and whenever he scolds her, she never gets serious and behaves very childishly and laughs it off. तो बड़े भाई बोल रहे हैं कि जब भी मैं अपनी बहन के आगे उसकी किताबें खोलता हूँ और उसको पढ़ाई करने को बोलता हूँ, तो वो अपनी किताबों के पन्ने फाड़ कर उड़ा देती है और फिर जोर जोर से हंसती है। ये उसके पढ़ने का तरीका है। और जब भी मुझे उसकी हरकतों पर गुस्सा आता है तो मैं उसे डांटता हूँ या उसे शैतान कहता हूँ, तो उसे बिल्कुल भी डर नहीं लगता, बल्कि वो तो हंसने लगती है जैसे मैंने उसके साथ कोई मजाक किया हो। Everybody knows that father is away, but sometimes I call out father playfully. She looks quickly about her in excitement and thinks that father is near. Now brother is saying that his father is not at home. But still, whenever he makes a fake call to tease or play with his sister, she gets amazed and excited and starts believing that her father is near. So she looks around to find him. Clearly, the baby girl is naive and too young to judge between right and wrong things. सबको पता है कि अभी इनके पिता घर में नहीं है, लेकिन कभी-कभी छोटी बच्ची को छेड़ने के लिए जब बड़े भाई मजाक में पिता को पुकारते हैं या उनको पुकारने का नाटक करते हैं, तो छोटी बहन खुशी से फूल जाती है और झट से अपने पिता को ढूंढने लग जाती है। वह बच्ची अभी बहुत छोटी है, इसलिए सही गलत असली नकली में फर्क नहीं कर सकती. Sometimes I hold a class with the donkeys that a washerman brings to carry away the dirty clothes. I warn her that I am the schoolmaster and that she better not make any noise. Only then she keeps quiet. I insist that she should call me Dada. Your baby wants to catch the moon. She is really funny. Mother, your baby is silly. She is so very childish. Now the boy is saying that whenever the washerman brings donkey with him to carry away the dirty clothes from our house, he hold a class with the donkeys as if the donkey is a student just to fool his sister. He pretends to be the schoolmaster and asks her sister not to make any noise. She is so young that she believes her brother and keeps quiet. Now when she starts obeying his brother insists her to call him Dada. Dada means elder brother. He is also complaining that this silly girl wants to hold the moon in her hand. He finds her really funny because of her mischievous behavior. So he tells this to his mother that your daughter is very silly and childish. तो अब वो बोल रहा है कि जब भी धोबी कपड़े ले जाने के लिए हमारे घर अपने गधे को लेकर आता है तो मैं झूठ मूठ की क्लास लेने लग जाता हूँ, जिसमें गधों को स्टूडेंट बना देता हूँ और खुद टीचर बन जाता हूँ. उसकी छोटी बहन अपनी नादानी में ये बात मान जाती है और अपने भाई का कहना मानने लगती है. तब उसका भाई उसे चुप रहने को कहता है और सिर्फ तभी वो चुप होती है. वह उसे बोलता है कि मुझे दादा कह के पुकारो. अब वो बड़ा भाई कह रहा है कि माँ, आपकी बेटी को तो चांद को हाथ में पकड़ लेने की इच्छा है. वो बहुत ही बचकानी हरकतें करती है जिस पर मुझे हंसी आती है. माँ, आपकी बेटी में बहुत ही बचपना है. So friends, that was the story. Now let's discuss word meanings and their usage in sentences. So the first word is childish, meaning silly and immature. Sentence: my younger brother is very childish. Next word is pebble, meaning small stone. Sentence: the children are playing with pebbles. Donkey, meaning an animal with long ears used for carrying goods. Sentence: a donkey is eating grass. Dirty, meaning unclean. Sentence: he gets dirty after playing football. Anger, meaning a state of being angry. Sentence: anger is man's greatest enemy. Excitement, meaning lively and cheerful. Sentence: there was excitement in the market because of Diwali. Playful, meaning someone who likes to have fun. Sentence: my pet dog is very playful. Naughty, meaning disobedient. Sentence: my best friend is a naughty girl. Washerman, meaning one who washes clothes for money. Sentence: the washerman did not come in the morning. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed the video. At the end, I want to say that brothers and sisters are as close as hands and feet. If you find this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel to get notified about the new videos. Thank you for your love. Good day.